Now let us see how a 7-segment display, we call it 7 segment because there are 7 segments here, and how a 7-segment display really works. They are available in common anode mode and common cathode mode. They are nothing but LEDs, but only they are in the straight line LEDs. We know if the LED anode is given positive and the cathode becomes negative, the LED will glow. And these are the cathode points. And this is the common anode point. We have connected some series resistors, and then we have connected the logic probe here to see as to how the 7-segment LED is behaving. Now once we put it, now if this is high and the common anode positive is also high, no limb is being displayed. When we make it 0, that means the current starts from here positive, goes to the common anode positive and passes through this LED and this LED and this resistor and then here reaches here. And that is how it makes it this to glow. So when I press this, it becomes this. When I press this, it becomes this. So for displaying 7, what should I do? What we do is we make these 3 0. Like that, if I want to make 8 glow, so what I do is I make all of them glow. Or if I want to make 1, okay, I make all of them, or this and this as 1. So this is how a 7-segment display works. And these 0 and 1, they come from the microcontroller.